me tell you about my best friend.
Hey, 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 YouTube.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel, Twinning. And today we are going to be making
Italian chicken wings. Can't wait to eat them.
Yes. So first, I just want to give all honor and glory to God for blessing us with another day of life. A lot of people didn't wake up this morning, but if you are watching us right now, you ought to thank the Lord because it's because of Him that we are woke and able to resume life as usual and another day to get it right.
Another day to get it right.
Yeah. So today we're going to be doing...
Cutting my head off.
Oh, my bad. Her head is big, just don't fit in the camera. I keep telling her
some
that.
more. She's just short, guys.
So today we're going to be doing Italian chicken wings. And what that is chicken wings with Italian seasoning on it. So if you never had it, you're in for a real treat. I do recommend that you try it. So we're going to get started with the Italian chicken wings. Y'all, this gonna be so good. And she's gonna leave hers like that. We don't have to fold. What I do is turn the chicken over because I like it to cook on the inside with the outside up. Again, just a personal preference, no reason why. Okay. So, yes. So now, so what we do is put the lid on. Great piece of equipment to have. So, cook time, 25. That's the look I was going for. So,
Ooh, crispy fried.
Look. Hear that? That's crispy. So,
ooh.
Ain't that about nothing.
Because you just
I put them all on that side.
Together. Uno, dos, tres.
Try it. Taste it.
I am. Let me get my... Tiny taste test, you all. Okay, it's
the moment of truth.
Woo! Here we go.
Hear that crunch?
Speechless. Yeah.
So there you have it. Italian chicken wings. All done. And I think Sean is satisfied because she just ran to the table to eat her Italian chicken wings. We're going to conclude this portion of the video and we will resume on another scheduled day. So stay tuned for Twinning and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. So catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.